On the Ocoee River today.
Elected officials and area dignitaries climbed on board to kick off a new season and a new partnership. Brandon Evans explains.
The Ocoee River officially opened for business, and today they were celebrating the new partnership between the TVA, the state, and the U.S. Forestry Service. Under the new agreement, 24 private rafting companies will pay a 10% licensing fee. That money will then go into an expense fund. Ryan Cook with Ocoee in Rafting believes it will actually help business.
One rafting company cannot afford national advertising. As a group with the board and the fund, we will be able to afford national advertising, so I think it will be huge.
That fund will also compensate the TVA for the money they lose when they send water over the dam instead of into the turbines. But repairs have shut those turbines down until sometime in June, according to TVA officials. Those turbines would normally allow the TVA to keep the river level and rafting conditions at optimal levels. So what happens when heavy rains come?
If we saw something where flows were going to be really high, then we would make different notifications to all of the partners involved and let them make a decision on whether or not they felt like it was safe to raft.
That's something Cook says they're already prepared for.
So once we have a threshold for commercial rafting, and it's 3,000 cubic feet per second. If the water is above that, there is no commercial rafting. It's shut down.
I'm Brandon Evans, News Channel 9.
And officials tell us Ocoee Rafting represents about 650 jobs and has around a $44 million economic impact on that region.
All right, still to come, the paint you choose can make the difference between painting every few years to painting as little